Hi YouTube, what is up? Untied Hawaii here, coming at you with another video. In this video, guys, we have a hype box over here, Hype Beast mystery box, and this is a combination of like not only like streetwear and stuff, but also sneakers. I'm excited to see what's in this one. It is a very small box though. Usually our boxes are a lot bigger than this, so yeah, this one is literally maybe 2 shoes in here at most, and probably some clothing and stuff. But no matter what, I'm excited for it, man. It is $16.50 and it is from the company Sole Steals. So if you guys don't know who Sole Steals are, they're a membership company that I highly recommend because we've gotten some crazy heat in those sneaker mystery boxes before. One of the best out there and one of the most legit. Definitely the best steals on there as well. But anyway, guys, before I get into that mystery box, I do want to give a shout out to the sponsor of today's episode, Rose Gold and Black. And I'm seriously telling you guys, they have the best jewelry on the market, guys. For the price and the quality of the jewelry that you guys are getting, it's super worth it, man. Because not only is it affordable jewelry, but it's stylish jewelry. I mean, I'm wearing one right now. You guys can see I'm wearing that grenade necklace. And as I see it in the camera, actually, I just realized like the grenade is literally perfectly in those hands on this Palace tee. So might have to wear this one with this shirt every single time now. I got really sidetracked right there. But yeah, guys, Rose Gold and Black, I'm telling you guys, it's high quality stuff and it looks good, man. I'm telling you, it looks good. So I highly recommend you guys check it out. If you guys go to the link in the description below, it will take you to Rose Gold and Black, where you will get 25% off your order. And when you guys use the code UNTIED at checkout, you guys will get an additional 10% off. So already great prices, getting even better. So make sure you guys do that today. So I think we are ready to get into this box now, guys. Let's check out what we got over here. $16.50 from Sole Steals. Hopefully it's a banger. Okay, so I see a bunch of clothing right off the bat. That is dope. And also they actually, wow, this is cool. Okay, so I guess in certain like hype boxes or like mystery boxes and stuff, or even like regular shoe purchases and stuff from Sole Steals, I realized like when I saw on their Instagram and stuff that they're starting to do things like this. I'll put this under the camera so you guys can see what it is, but I think this is one of the coolest ideas, and this is gonna be the first time I'm ever trying it out, so I'm really excited actually. Because I guess what Sole Steals is doing now is they're doing these like scratch for sneakers, and it's crazy because they have 50,000 in total prizes. So this is kind of cool. I guess they do send, like, depending on what you get, a certain number of these things. I'm assuming one shoe purchase would be like one of these maybe, or if you're getting a hype box, I guess it comes with 5 sometimes. It does say how to play though. Scratch all hidden squares. If you find any 4 identical symbols in the same game, then see the back for prizes and complete contest rules. So I guess you can get like $10 in cash, $20 in cash, $50 in cash, general release sneakers, or over here limited release sneakers. So I'm assuming like this is like the crazy hype stuff that you're trying to go for. So from what I can tell, it's kind of like what's been going on with the trend of like golden ticket stuff. I know that we did another mystery box that had like these golden ticket things, and that's to give you like hype prizes and stuff too. But this one though, I think is a little bit more unique and a little bit more fun because you actually actively have to like scratch this out and stuff, and it makes it more like exciting in my opinion. So I guess we will try to do that right now, guys. Pray for me, guys. Hopefully we get some crazy sneakers right now. So I'm just gonna scratch off all of the hidden squares. So it's literally just, okay, so we got a cash thing over here. That's dope. And then a shoe. Hey, okay, another cash one and another shoe. We just need 2 more of either of these. That is not what I want. Oh, this is that's the money one too you want. That's the fire one. Dude, okay, so I didn't get anything right here. Did not get anything on this one, so it's just, I guess, a throwaway card. We didn't get anything, but thankfully we have 4 more of these, and I'll definitely speed up the video on this because I don't want you guys just waiting around for me to get this. We do want to get into the sneaker mystery box. Wait, did I just win? Scratch all 4 hidden squares. If you find 4 identical symbols in the same game, then you win. Okay, so we won, right? We got 4 of these little coin things, so I think that's a win. Hey, okay, cool. We got $10 in cash, so I guess you got to just email the photo to redeem at solesteals.com for your prize. So that is pretty dope, man. Happy about that. I didn't expect to win anything with these. No way. Come on, fire. Ah, that's a loser. Shoot. Okay, nothing over there. 2 more of these. 3 sneakers? 3 sneakers? 1 more sneaker, baby. Come on. Oh my gosh. Nice. I don't know what the percentage of winning the stuff is, but we got another one. So over here, you guys can see we got the 4 sneakers over there. So that's a win. And when we flip it over, that is a general release. So I don't know what a general release would be. I'm guessing probably like a Jordan like 6 or 7. Probably not the super hype stuff, but yeah, general release sneaker. It's not going to be like a cause 4 or something. And that's really awesome, man. It's just all bonus stuff that comes in with Sole Steals, and that's what I really like about them, is they're always looking for like new things to do, new ways to like improve on the site and just make make your membership worth it over there. Anyway, let's get into the mystery box now, man. That was crazy. That was the longest we ever went without opening up anything from the mystery box, but we had to see what was in the scratcher, so glad you guys bared with me on that. Anyway, the first thing that we got looks like a pair of Calabasas pants. I remember that this one dropped for like the Adidas line like not too long ago. It does say Calabasas on the side over here, and this one was in a size medium, my size. I'm not really like big on like sweatpants and stuff. I live in Hawaii, so it's pretty difficult to wear like any kind of like pants or like even all of these crazy jackets and stuff that I have. I save this stuff for when I travel like during the winter time and stuff. So this is probably not something that I'm gonna wear, which means that it will be on the website untiedhawaii.com. You guys can go over there and cop anything that I'm not keeping in these boxes over on that website. Next thing up is this strange tee. It looks like a Supreme tee, and it's called the Rammellzee, size medium, and this one I'm not sure what I'm looking at over here, man. I don't want to open it up because I'm not a big like Supreme person, and also the box that I was able to cop was a medium, which is not my size. I can fit medium pants, but I can't fit medium shirts, so not gonna keep this. I will put it up on the screen though, so you guys can see what it looks like unraveled and stuff. Very interesting tee, and hopefully there's good resale on this. The problem with like all of these like hypebeast stuff is I don't really know the market anymore. Before, I used to be very into like copping Supreme, you know, on the website and stuff, but I realized like the resale value isn't there anymore, and just the Supreme hype is pretty much dying. Like I know that stuff still sells out on Supreme and stuff. It's just I feel like the culture is kind of shifting away where people realize like, Supreme is cool, but it's not that great, you know? And one of my close friends, Jacob, will hate me for that because he loves Supreme, but I mean, sorry, Jacob, I'm not a big Supreme person myself. We are able to have different differences and still be homies. I hope. Please don't hate me. Anyway, let's see what else we got over here. This one is a stock XT, it looks like. That sucks. Oh my gosh, and this is horrible. I'm not gonna show this one because it has like some weird writing on this. You guys are probably super confused what I'm talking about, but I can't show it on screen because it's saying words that don't agree with my religion. I'm a Christian, and this shirt is kind of against that, so yeah. Hiding it. Awkward, but we press on. That will not be on the website. I'll probably just give that away or something. I don't know. Next thing up over here, this is a Supreme North Face bag. Utility red. I've never seen this one before. This is kind of cool. You guys can check it out over there. It's got like an infrared kind of red. So not a bad thing over here. $16.50 box though. I'm not seeing anything too hype so far, which is kind of like making me thrown off, but I do see a couple shoes in here, and also this thing right here as well. This one, I mean, it speaks for itself. The box is a Louis Vuitton. We don't know what's in here, but I'm assuming it has to be a lot of money. What in the world is this? Okay, I'm completely thrown off now. It looks like it's a Louis Vuitton keychain, which there's no way I'm gonna be using this thing. There's no... Wait. Wait, what? I'm still not gonna be using this thing. I'm not that big of a hype beast, guys. But you guys can see it has that Louis Vuitton logo over there, and it also says Supreme. And it's just like a keychain, but still, to get something from like the Supreme Louis Vuitton collab, that is kind of crazy in and of itself. So this, I'm not sure how much it goes for. It's definitely not one of the more hype pieces from that drop, but it's still, you know, part of one of the biggest collabs like ever between like a hype beast brand and also a high fashion brand. So I'm assuming no matter what, there's good value here. Whatever the resale price is though, I would not spend the money for this. I'm just gonna tell you guys straight up, I would not buy this because this doesn't seem like it's worth it. You could probably get like some crazy shoes for the price of whatever this is. Two things left in the box over here, guys, and I'm assuming they're both shoes. This one is in a Revenge Storm box, that's why, and it is a size 8. And looking at the stuff that we got so far, I don't really see too much hype, so I'm assuming these last two shoes have to be crazy. This one is a pair of Revenge Storms in like a white colorway, and this thing is brand new. So yeah, the thing with the hype boxes from Soul Steals, everything that you get in the box usually is brand new, so that is very, very dope. This actually doesn't look too bad. I've never been a big fan of the Revenge Storm series, but I think that because it's like a plain shoe right here, like a lot of people will get behind this one. It does have like that pearlescent effect on the lightning bolt, which I think is kind of dope. Assuming these don't fetch too much on the resale market though, from what I know about the Revenge Storm market, usually I think most of the shoes, no matter what, go for about like 200 bucks. So this is probably in the realm of what this is going for on the counter up here. Good cop, and I mean it is DS, so that's a good thing. Last shoe over here, this one, I'm assuming this has to be a pair of sneakers. It's in like a little bag and it's covered up. And then the last thing in the box too. Wait, this isn't a pair of shoes, man. This is not a pair of shoes. What the heck? Holy F. Wow, okay, this is a huge pickup right here, guys. Definitely crazy because this is, oh my gosh. This is super crazy. Okay, so For the guys that don't know, this is a Supreme baseball mitt. These things are very, very coveted, and this one is brand new. I mean, it still has the tags on and stuff. It comes with the Supreme Rawlings baseball too. You guys see that little box logo? Kind of ridiculous to have it on a baseball, but yeah. It says the Gold Glove Co. Also, you guys can see the Supreme branding on this side. And I think that's actually it for the Supreme branding that I'm looking at it now. Oh no, there's a little box logo in here too. The main thing is though, it has that Supreme red and it was in collaboration. So this is kind of ridiculous, guys. Very, very crazy to see. I can't believe they sent this in a mystery box. This is super wild. Obviously, it has to go to like a very dedicated like buyer and stuff for Supreme. So this is gonna be hard to move. But I mean, if I can sell it for $2,000, and there has to be a buyer out here that is like a hardcore collector of this kind of stuff. So it's a very like niche thing, and it's probably like harder to sell for people that don't have like a YouTube channel and stuff. You know, like they can't advertise it as much. So no matter what, we came out on top on this one for sure. Maybe one of the best pickups we've ever gotten in a hype box. So I'm very excited about that. And yeah, guys, that is actually it for this video. Definitely wild and very different from what we're used to. We saw those scratchers in the beginning where we made like, I guess, 10 bucks off of this stuff and also a free sneaker. So it'll be cool to see what they actually give away and stuff. So stay tuned for that one. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate all of you guys behind the camera. But until next time though, stay humble, stay blessed, take care, and I will see you on the next episode. Aloha. Shoot!